Hey guys, welcome back to yet another YouTube video, and today is some exciting news. So, today I have received my Xbox Series S, which we're going to be unboxing right now. So, here we go guys, we're going to be doing this thing. So let me grab my knife. Let me make sure you guys can see it. So I'm going to be doing this with there's my knife, my pocket knife. I'm going to be unboxing this baby, see what came with it. How do I open this? How do I start? Do I even need a knife? I may or may not need one. Just let me see how it looks. Wait, how do you even unbox this thing? Wait a minute. Is there like a... Oh, so yeah, down here. You gotta... So yeah, I gotta start by getting this out. Wait. This way? Hang on a second. Trying to get the plastic off. Oh, well, I guess I didn't even need to use the knife. Oh crap, I didn't even want to do that to the box. Well, it is what it is. Anyways, we got the plastic off. Let's see what we got inside. See what kind of stuff it comes with. Let's throw this in the garbage. Let's see. How does this work? Maybe this way? Like, how am I supposed to... Wait a second. Oh. So maybe I did it the wrong way. Yeah, it looks like I did. Rip. Get the trash can. There's another one here. Okay. All right. There's it. There it is. What else are we missing? Oh, that's it. So I didn't even really need too much. Game Pass, Power Your Dreams. Whoa, this console is freaking tiny. Wait, does it even come with a controller? Okay, at least that's what I thought. Anyways. So yeah, guys, I got the Xbox. Damn, that's a tiny little dinky thing. That is a dinky. I thought it would be a little bigger than I thought. Wow. So I'll take this off and show you guys it. Wow, and it's a really pretty system. This is a lot smaller than my Xbox One S. Look at this thing. Look how small this is. This thing is tiny. But I like it. It gives you more room. Like a lot more room. And it's dinky. But yeah, this is Microsoft's console. You press the button there. And this to pair up with the controller. So yeah, I like this. Kind of like the other console. But it's like more like tiny. As you guys can see. And then you got all that. Oh, there's a storage expansion which I have to buy on the back there. So that's what I was saying. Like, it didn't come with the storage expansion, which is unfortunate. Like, I wish they would have done that for you. Let you do that. There's the HDMI out port, and then of course the thing to plug in the Wi-Fi in, which I think is this thing. And then the cord to plug in the power. So, damn, this thing's tinier than I thought. A lot damn tinier. But it looks like a really beautiful console. And yes, guys, I accidentally ripped the box by accident. Oh, it does come with a controller. Getting started, it gives you a little thing here, like a little pamphlet. And let's see what else we got here. Is that it? Wait, so it didn't come with no controller? Maybe I gotta buy one separate? Yeah, it just came with just a console and that's it. Don't look like it came with any controller unless it's over here. Let's look at this thing. Let's take a look around. Unless it's... Wait, the controller might be in here. No kidding. So it did come with a controller. Okay, guys. So we got another thing here. Got the controller. It's wrapped in here. And let's see. This might be my favorite controller yet. Whoa. So, there's the controller. Damn, this is smaller compared to... Hey, is there a difference? They look like they're the same size. It's just... So this has a share button, I guess. That's what I heard about in this console. Having this. Even the D-pad looks different a little bit. Then we got this. Man, it feels a little different too. Feels a little bit different. So share button. Damn. This controller is my favorite by far. And it's tinier. Like, I feel like the analog stick feels a little different from the Xbox One. But then again, it is a new console, so what do we got here? What is this? Oh, it came with batteries. Sweet. See? Batteries. What else we got here? We got the cords. So there's the HDMI cord and the power outlet, as well as the thing, you know, like obviously the instructions. So yeah, guys, this is the Xbox Series S. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and but yeah, and my personal thoughts before I end the video. I think it looks like a badass little console. It takes up less space, and it's definitely a lot smaller than the Xbox One S. Why did I say the Xbox Series? But yeah, honestly, I'm honestly happy with it. I think it was a good investment. Like, I'm excited, and yeah, I'm looking forward to trying it out. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video, which I'll be doing the next unboxing, which is the Elgato capture card. And keep an eye out for that, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for freaking watching. I love you all. Always, Phoenix Army. Forever and always. Phoenix Gaming out.